Buddhāvataṃsaka Flower Ornament Sutra. Chapter 1. The Wonderful Adornments of the Leaders of the Worlds. The powers of the Buddha are all complete. His array of virtues appears in the world, and all sentient beings are harmonized. To this fact, courageous power can witness. The Buddha cultivated an ocean of compassion, his heart always as broad as the whole world. Therefore, his spiritual powers are boundless. Increasing vitality can see this. Increasing vitality can see this. Buddha always appears throughout the world. None of his methods are employed in vain. Clearing away beings' delusions and torments, this is the liberation of universal producer. Buddha is the great ocean of knowledge in the world, emanating pure light which reaches everywhere, whence is born all great faith and resolution. Thus can adorned top-knot clearly enter. Buddha, observing the world, conceives kind compassion, appearing in order to aid sentient beings, showing them the supreme way of peace and joy. This is the liberation of pure flowers. The pure practices cultivated by Buddha are fully expounded under the tree of enlightenment, thus edifying everyone in all quarters. This wonderful fragrance can hear. Buddha, in all worlds, brings freedom from sorrow, creating great joy. All potentials and aspirations he purifies. The spirit pleasing understands this. The Buddha appears in the world, observes the inclinations of all beings, and matures them by various means. This is the liberation of pure light. Furthermore, the herb spirit auspicious found the door of liberation, observing the mentalities of all sentient beings and striving to unify them. The herb spirit sandalwood forest found the door of liberation, embracing all sentient beings with light and causing those who see it not to waste the experience. The herb spirit pure light found the door of liberation, able to annihilate the afflictions of all sentient beings by pure techniques.